Discord and Alienware Arena have collaborated. And Alienware is giving away free 1-month Discord Nitro. You can find it on both Alienware and Discord websites. I will show you exactly from the start to finish how to claim the Nitro. In fact, I will show you live how to do it. However, before that, I highly suggest y'all to join my Discord server for free decors like banners, dividers, PNG, GIF, and layouts. You can also join if you have any Discord-related doubts. Alright, so let's get started. Before starting this video, I want to show you that I don't have Discord Nitro. This is my new account, and I have never had a Nitro here. Now to claim the Nitro, first click this link. You will find it in my video's description. It is Alienware Arena website. You will find the Nitro offer here, just click it. Now click Get Key. Here, if you already have an account, you can just log in or create a new account. For me, I will create a new account. After creating your new account, you'll receive a mail like this asking to verify. So do that, and after that you will come to this page. Click Get Key again. Here you will be asked to log in with the account you've just created. Here they will ask you to make a username. And on this page, just fill out basic details. If everything is done correctly, you will come to this page. Just click Get Key again on the left-hand side. Now a notification will pop up on the top right-hand side in a green box. You will find the Nitro code there. Just copy that code. Now open your Discord account, go to User Settings, and click Gift Inventory. Here paste that code and click Redeem. Click here. Now here you need to pick payment method. You can use debit or credit card, or even PayPal. For me, I will go for PayPal, and let's see if it works. Now you might feel I skipped the video here, that's true. My PayPal didn't have money, so I had to add some money to get this transaction done. I won't lie to you, I was worried because I didn't have the Nitro badge on my profile, which was funny. So I was like, let's use animated emoji and check if it works. But turns out, due to my slow internet, Discord took some time to update. Okay, now let's cancel the subscription. Go to your user settings and click subscriptions. Click cancel at top right. See my cursor. Now click continue. We're doing this because Discord won't charge you after your Nitro expires. This is done. Now you have to remove your payment method. Click edit on top right hand side and click delete payment method. I won't show you that part because it shows my address. Anyway, if you like the video, hit like and subscribe button.